Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever watched a cooking show and thought, I wish I could cook like that, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the world of culinary secrets straight from the pros. That's right, today's episode is all about how to cook like a pro. Restaurant secrets revealed. So grab your aprons, because we're about to elevate your home cooking game to a whole new level. First things first, prep work. One of the biggest secrets chefs don't want you to know is how much time they spend prepping before the cooking even begins. In the culinary world, we have a fancy term for it, mise en place. This means everything in its place. It's all about having your ingredients measured, cut, and ready to go. By preparing your ingredients ahead of time, you'll not only save time but also reduce stress while cooking. So, chop those veggies, measure out your spices, and lay everything out like a pro. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Next up, let's talk about seasoning. You might think salt is just salt, but oh boy, are you in for a surprise. Chefs have a secret arsenal of seasonings and techniques to enhance flavors. Here's a tip. Instead of just salting at the end, season your food at different stages of cooking. For example, add a pinch of salt to your vegetables as they sauté. This helps to draw out moisture and intensify their natural flavors. And remember, seasoning isn't just about salt. Use herbs, spices, acids like lemon juice or vinegar, and even a bit of sweetness to create depth in your dishes. Experiment with combinations until you find your perfect balance. Now, let's dive into some essential cooking techniques that can make or break your dish. Ever wonder why restaurant dishes have that perfect sear? It's all about the heat. Make sure your pan is hot enough before adding your ingredients. This will create a beautiful crust on meats and vegetables, locking in those delicious juices. Another pro tip: don't overcrowd the pan. Give your food room to breathe, or it will steam instead of sear. Alright, you've cooked a fantastic meal, but now it's time to present it. Plating is an art form in itself. Ever notice how restaurant dishes look almost too good to eat? Here's a secret. Think about color, height, and arrangement. Use contrasting colors to make your dish pop, and don't be afraid to layer your ingredients for a three-dimensional look. A simple drizzle of sauce or a sprinkle of fresh herbs can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. And finally, let's talk about the finishing touches. This is where you can let your personality shine through your cooking. Whether it's a sprinkle of freshly grated cheese, a dash of chili flakes for heat, or a squeeze of lemon for brightness, these final touches can transform your dish. Don't be afraid to get creative. Cooking is as much about expressing yourself as it is about feeding your belly. So there you have it, friends. With these insider tips and techniques, you're well on your way to cooking like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be intimidated. Get in that kitchen and start experimenting. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and let us know in the comments what restaurant secrets you're excited to try at home. Until next time, happy cooking!